Greeting, this is Marco. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a photo in Microsoft Word and how we can actually type something on the photo. So I'll be guiding you through that particular process. Alright, so let us get started. First, we want to bring up a Microsoft Word document. Alright, so when you bring up the Microsoft Word document, the next thing that you actually want to do, want to insert the photo. So we want to come all the way to the top, where you see the insert tab, which is this. You're going to click on it. So while I click on it, it will bring up the ribbon, right? Insert, bring up the ribbon, and then next step we want to do is to click here on your picture. When you click on picture now, you're going to take it directly to the desktop right here. So what you want to do is just select picture. So you can come to the right here and click here to the desktop, and now to bring it here to some set of picture right here. So you're going to click right on this photo section, and then click on insert, and that will open up the entire folder. So right here, you're going to choose, I'm going to click on this picture, and then come right here, insert, I'm going to click insert. All right, so notice when I click insert, you notice the photo right here, but notice I can't move the photo. So after right click on the photo, and then I come right here, that says wrap text. All right, so now come wrap text, I'm going to come down here, I'm going to click that is a behind text. Now I click behind text now. Now I'm going to type something on it. Now I'm going to type my name on it. All right. While I type in name, you notice you're not seeing it. Alright, so I'm going to brighten that in a short while. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to block it. You notice it's right here. So I'm going to block it. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to give it a color that I can give it to see so far. Alright, so I want to give it a color that we can actually stand out here. Give it a brighter picture. Alright, so let me increase the size. Alright, you notice. Let me decrease the size. Very careful, and let me that now. So good. So that is exactly how you actually insert a photo and then you actually write the text on it. Right? And not only that, what you can do, you can put a shape around it. Just click back on it, then you click right up your format. And when you click on the format, notice you bring up all of these options in which you can actually put border on it. Right? So you can actually click right here and notice if you put the cursor on it, you notice it all the pictures stay like that. Right? They give you a different type of shape, just like that, running. I'll put it through all of them. This is what it looks like. Right? It's looking very unique, just like that. Right? So put it on that one. Here. Here. I'm gonna leave it on this one. Look how this one makes it look unique. Alright. You notice it? That's how it actually looks. Let me scroll up a bit. Like this. Very unique. So this is how you actually write on the photo when I insert it in Microsoft Word. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here, and if this video is helped to solve a problem, just consider to share it with your friend and also subscribe, that you can actually get the other video when it comes up. Alright, thanks for watching.